Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to insert a photo to Twibbon using CapCut. Let's get started. Here I have opened my CapCut and we're going to click on new project. Then choose the photo that you want to insert to your Twibbon, and don't forget to click on this photo section to choose your photo. And we can scroll all the way down to find the photo that we want to insert to our Twibbon, and just click on the photo like this. Then click on edit photo. After that, we can click on stickers option right here, and click on this button and choose the Twibbon that you want to edit. And for example, I'm going to choose this Twibbon, and then click on add. Alright, and click on this check mark. Alright guys, and now we can zoom in this Twibbon. We can click on the Twibbon like this, and we can pinch the screen using both of our finger like this. Alright, and we can adjust the photo to the Twibbon like this. Okay guys, that's how we can insert photo to a Twibbon. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you on the next video.